Good morning, everybody. It's day 4 here in Hawaii, and look at this gorgeous place.
It's Hawaii.
Hawaii.
You know Hawaii?
Hawaii. Okay, so yeah, you can see here. There's Waikiki Beach just down over there. What we're gonna be doing today is, I guess we're gonna go to Pearl Harbor again, and after that, we're probably gonna go hiking. But yeah, like I mean, it's. I thought you said you wanted to go hiking, or are we going to the beach?
The beach.
Okay, we're not gonna go to that lighthouse, or.
Well, we'll see first. Well,
Yeah.
my parents want to do.
You wanna go swimming? Yeah, Ben Milan wants to go swimming again. Can't see him. Look at that.
He was crying because it was so cold.
No, not that one.
Sure.
That
That
one?
one was hot.
The other one was hot or cold?
They're both cold.
Yeah, they were both cold. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna go eat. Then once we go eat, then we're gonna go on the road. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so we just finished, I guess almost done our breakfast here. You can see Camilla working again, non-stop, even on vacation. But anyway, so basically when I was recording the food earlier, we had one of the... What do you want? Do you want this one? Okay.
Thank you.
But yeah, we had one of the worker saw me recording, and he's like, "Oh, I like your camera. Where do you get it?" And I told him, "Oh, this is the DJI Pocket," and he's like, he's trying to get one. Then I'm like, "You gotta get the second one, the second gen, which is the Pocket 2, and that one has the zoom in functionality. So we have the Pocket 1, and this one doesn't have the zoom in functionality.
And the joystick too.
Oh, does that one have
Yeah,
the
that one
joystick
has
too?
like the joystick,
Yeah.
microphone, tripod.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think the graphics is better. The quality, I mean.
No, well, this one goes to 4K.
Yeah, that one probably goes to 8K now.
8K?
Yeah.
So maybe double.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to see the specs, but I mean that's pretty cool.
It's a big jump, and we've had it since before COVID, like Philippines.
Yeah,
Anyway.
and I think we use this more than the phone actually, right? Because I think this one
I
here
use
is
the phone for just like regular posting.
like IG posting.
Yeah, IG posting if I just
Yeah.
want to do stuff. I'm just doing my hair.
Yeah, and yeah, this one is good for like YouTube, like vlogging and stuff like that, because it's so small and discreet.
Oh, it's too
That
dark
you could
though.
just. Oh, it's okay. You can lighten it up, right?
I guess,
It's all
yeah.
about the editing, right?
It's all about the editing, right?
But anyway, I'm gonna finish eating here, and after that we're gonna go
On the road.
on the road. Kind of like I said, Pearl Harbor, and maybe we're gonna go hiking, or are we actually gonna go to the beach today?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, we'll see. We'll just go with the flow.
We're just winging it today.
Yeah, we're gonna wing it today because Wabi had a good time last night.
Oh, it was so good.
Okay,
Good food, good company, good shows.
we got the luau.
Luau, yeah. Nick was like, how do you say it? Lawu? It's like luau. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
Highly recommend. I
Highly
already talked
recommend.
about it earlier.
Oh yeah, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway, yeah, we're gonna finish up here, then we're gonna go. Bye-bye.
Bye.
We're back at it again. Alright, we're going to the boat ride. All the way over there. Going to the boat ride. Wow.
Welcome aboard, everyone. Once you all have your seat, please remain seated.
Can't believe it's like no wind today, eh?
I know, I love it.
It's so crazy.
So hot. Very calm.
Yeah, very calm today.
I think there's a lot of people.
Yeah, lots of people today compared to last time.
Do you want to go to the front?
I want to do that.
Let's go to the front.
So that's for hiding.
Yeah.
Now, at this time, if you have not already, please silence your electronic devices in respect of USS Arizona Memorial, and refrain from taking phone calls during your visit.
Wow.
Each row fits up to 5 or more people, so if you do not have at least 5 in your row, please make room for others to sit down next to you.
Hello, Ben. Are you excited? Ben. Yeah, Ben over here. Okay. USS Arizona Memorial.
You have to be quiet when you go inside.
Yeah.
Not too loud. It's a memorial. Wow,
That's all. Where you can see all the wreckage, eh, Robbie? Crazy.
You could probably see it.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick reminder, there will be no standing, walking, or changing seats while the boat is in motion. Thank
It's
you.
heavy.
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta watch the Harbor though. I think you'll like it.
I think I'll cry.
You'll appreciate it more, I think.
I'll appreciate it more.
Yeah, because it's like a 2.5-hour movie with Ben Affleck. And he's really good in that movie.
Well, I used to sing the song Faith Hill. It's called There You'll Be. That's like the song at the end that they play.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I think back on these times and the dreams we left behind,
Yeah.
I'll be glad because I was blessed to get to have you in my life. Oh, so sad.
Yeah. We'll watch it when we get back.
Yeah, let's watch it.
Yes.
Ben is very sad too.
Yeah, he's crying.
Very sad pa no.
Really sad.
We're so sad.
Yeah, we're gonna go back now. So.
Yeah, we're driving back. Bye, subscribers.
It's a memorial.
Where's Hawaii?
Right there, baby.
there.
Territory of Hawaii, Pearl Harbor.
Harbor. Here.
There's Tahiti, there's Hawaii.
Territory of Hawaii.
See, even better.
Right there,
Where's
right,
the
Ben?
Philippines?
Where's the Philippines? Do you know where the Philippines is? Maybe it on the map. That's why I think maybe we had Polynesian immigrants to the Philippines too.
Yeah. Manila, Hong
We are
Kong,
close to China and Malaysia.
China. Here's Japan.
This one.
Yeah, we're a mix of everything. We are United Nations.
Look, China.
China's
There,
there.
India, Burma, Thailand.
For another land. So we got the Aloha Hawaiian macadamia nuts, 16 pieces. So we're gonna go pay. So we're at Costco right now, and basically over there, and we're good to go. So yeah.
Hey guys, so we're going to the Waikiki beach today. It's a beautiful day. It's plus 26 right now in Honolulu. We're going to spend time at the beach today with the kids and my mom and dad. Hopefully they'll join us. Hey guys, so what is it? It is Saturday, and I believe before this, why am I drawing up? Like every time we turn the camera on, I'm like, what did we do before? So we actually went to Pearl Harbor early this morning, and now we are spending the rest of the day at the beach in Waikiki, and it's 1:07 p.m. And what we usually do before we go to the beach is we grab some snacks from the infamous Musubi Cafe right in front of our hotel, so you can see it right there. Mick is in a lineup right now, and everybody is just waiting. They're waiting for us to get our food. So we're just grabbing a couple Musubis for snacks while we're at the beach, and it's like the perfect snack. And there's Mick with Ben. So yeah, I think what we're getting is the avocado, bacon, musubi, the kimchi, and then 2 teriyakis. That's usually what we get. But I'm gonna miss the store, the easy access to just walking across the street here. But yeah, after we get the musubi, then we're gonna head to the beach. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, we're here at Waikiki Beach, and we're just like hanging out in the little lagoon that they have here. There's Mick and Ben. And Sen is trying to get acclimated to the water. She's not quite acclimated yet. Phew. But look at Ben, he's like a little fish.
Can you give me my goggles?
Your what? Go get
I
it!
don't know where it is.
Ask Daddy, I don't know where it is either. Her goggles. Okay, let's see you, Ben. Go swim, swim. Wow. He's a fishy fish. Woohoo! Alright guys, if you haven't seen a musubi, this is what it looks like. I got the kimchi musubi, and then hubby's gonna eat some chicken that was warmed up. Can I try some?
Yeah.
Karage?
Is it teriyaki?
Wow.
It's teriyaki chicken.
Yeah.
Ben, you're full of sand.
Now you have to go over the
Rinse first.
Can I see this
Oh
again?
my goodness, this is good.
Is it actually teriyaki?
Cheers guys! Time to eat some snackaroos. Oh, do you have one? Yummy. Let's have another bite. The trick, the hardest part is having like all 3 pieces in one bite. My nose is drooling. Oh my gosh, Abby. Huh? Yeah, can you get me tissue? It's so good. How's my bun? Still bunning. I see these pigeons, man. They keep coming here. Their eyes are like pinning. was it? Workout? Good morning, guys. I forgot to end the vlog again. So we are here at the next day. And I just wanted to say thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And I think the plan for today, which is going to be the next vlog, is we're going to do the lighthouse hike. And then afterwards, I don't know, probably another beach day, or we might, you know, incorporate some gallivanting, as what my mom would say, gallivanting. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed our last vlog at the beach. We literally got back to the hotel at around 4 p.m. and we knocked out, like everybody fell asleep and we didn't wake up until like the next morning. So the sun drained us pretty heavily, especially the kids. They were just, actually Serenity was playing Valorant until like 10 in the evening. Oh, and another thing is, I noticed when I woke up this morning that it was daylight savings in Calgary, because usually it's around 3 hours ahead of us. So I have it on my phone, and it was actually 4 hours ahead. So when it was 5 here, it was already 9 in Calgary. So I thought that was weird. And I was like, oh, it was daylight savings time, and apparently in Hawaii they don't have that. So that was interesting to know, and pretty cool at the same time. So that means we have like another hour, or probably when we get back to Calgary we lose an hour, right? Which sucks. But yeah, that's pretty interesting. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!